The title of the poem is A Flood of Feelings Flows
by Madam Norida Hassan. So many stories to share. So many new faces to see. So excited to take part. So overwhelmed to be part. It's all magically happening around me.
Time seems to fly quickly. I'm waiting painfully. I'm waiting in agony, counting days daily. The red letter day for me. It's all speedily happening to me.
Stepping towards the big stage. It looks bigger than what I've imagined. Even so, it is smaller than what I've seen. I couldn't believe where I've been. Couldn't hear not a single sound. Yet, I couldn't bear the beat of my heart beating. My feet keep kicking, and here I'm standing in front of everybody. It's all surprisingly happening to me.
All eyes on me, staring with sharp eyes. From head to toe, right, left, or so. From up, down, back, and front. There's nobody that I know. I feel like running. I feel like agitating. Right now, I'm drowning. It's all miserably happening to me.
I'm drowning in the air. The words in my mind are flying everywhere. Couldn't catch them, and I'm gasping for air. Butterfly in my stomach. I'm anxious and nervous at the same time. How do I start? Where do I begin? To tell a story of, wait, is that a song? Oh, it's all crazily happening to me.
Come on, let's get it over with. Voice it out. Let it go. Let it go. Say it loud. Let's start the flow. Or you'll never know if you never start the show. A flood of feelings flows. Finally, it's going to the end. Let's bring down the curtain and step off the stage. This is my first time as a contestant in a poetry recitation competition. What an inspiration! A flood of feelings flew. Time seems to move sluggishly. I'm still waiting and waiting patiently. Maybe, but not really. Well, it will never end. And my heart is beating heavily. The moment of truth is just around me. I'm telling myself it's all magically happening to me. I did my best, believe me, and let the flood of feelings fly.